on, guys? Today I'm gonna do wall mounting rack for your tour pack and a sissy bar. I'll be using just regular board, a 1/2 inch copper tube. I got some copper ends, so it's gonna look real nice on the ends. These are pretty cheap. Let me give you exact price. I also bought a copper tube straps so you can attach to the piece of wood. That was like 10 of them for like 99 cents. It's dirt cheap. All the parts cost exactly $10 and 41 cents. So the plan is to put like 2 bars. The tour pack is gonna go on top of it. There's my tour pack and my bike. Alright, so let's start with the project. Alright, that's one. Alright, so I think it came out pretty good. I had to use a little spacers for sissy bar, so one touch over here. But you can see 1/2 inch is pretty much perfect for this application. Same thing over here. Yeah, the tour pack is pretty heavy, that's for sure. So if you're a short guy, make sure you attach it a little bit lower. Alright, looks like my mounting rack is pretty much finished. So instead of painting, I figure out I'm just gonna use stickers. So from now on I'm gonna put all kinds of stickers that I got to fill spaces not covered. I think it came out pretty decent. Check it out.